What's going on, guys and gals? Just finishing up my box here for FBA. I just want to do a quick video just to show you guys what I send in. One of the most popular questions I get asked is what is retail arbitrage and how do I use it? In its simplest form, retail arbitrage is just basically taking local items that are non-stock or discontinued on clearance, or taking advantage of companies that are going out of business or closing down locations, and buying the merchandise locally to sell on a much larger scale, nationwide via eBay or Amazon. So show you some of the items that I got here. Most of these were from Staples, Radio Shack. You have some other stores such as Walmart, Kmart. You'll see the headphones here. Picked them up at a Staples that was closing down. Picked them up for $2 a pair. There's 3 of them. They sell for about $50 to $60 on Amazon. Same thing with the rolls of tape. They were 25 cents or 50 cents. They sell for about $8 to $9 on Amazon. The weather alert radio was from a Radio Shack that was closing down. They're closing down about 1,700 locations. They were at 75% off. I think I got this one for about $7. Got 2 of them. They sell for about $40. The Netgear extender, power line extender, got that for about $9. They sell for about $60, $65. You see a lot of Post-its there. Duracell. That was actually pretty good. That was $4 each. Got 2 of them. They sell for about $60 each. The wax melts were. They marked down from $5 down to $2. I asked the manager, if they could do any better on the price. He said, how many, I told him I'd take them all. He marked them down to 20 cents. So that was a pretty good score. They sell for $9 on Amazon. So don't be afraid to, scan everything that you see on your clearance racks. Go into your stores, search them out. If you can't find any, ask the managers. Any store. I go to Walgreens, I ask the manager, and they cut me some deals on some of the clearance stuff as long as I take it off their hands right away. So find these sources and these locations, make friends with them, and they'll make you a lot of money. Alright, talk to you guys later.